What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We got another Cybertruck video. No, I haven't posted in quite some days. We've just been extremely busy. Today's the end of the month, so it takes a lot for me to be able to do this video, but I have a kind of a special treat because we have one Cybertruck in a color we've never done before, which to me is special because everybody keeps getting the blacks, the whites, the same colors. I'm still going to show you this white one first, and then I'm going to get to the other one. Because again, people have been looking for it. A lot of people have asked us for it. We finally had a customer pull the trigger, and obviously, therefore, I got to show it. Now, this one, the special one, if you will, the military green, it is matte military green. We're using GSWF films. GSWF PPF is amazing. We haven't had an issue with them. We had issues in the past with shipping, but now they're shipping out of California. We order the material, we get it in 1 or 2 days. To me, that's amazing, and I love that film as far as that's concerned, and I know they have their own factory, so the film is backed by a warranty. Now this one has a gloss, not a gloss, satin pearl white from 3M vinyl wrap. We got the Foundation Series decals on a light gray. I know in a previous video we had somebody mention that the letters weren't perfectly straight. We got that resolved, and we take the feedback very seriously. So as you can see, the letters are nice and straight. On this one, we got the 3M Satin Pearl White. We got a 5-year ceramic coating added on top of that, 6MX Pro. On this one, this is a Cyber Beast. So of course, we did the Cyber Beast decals in the back, Foundation Series, both sides and rear, and we added XPEL ceramic window tint. Now this is a customer that travels a lot, so we have the 35% on the windows, which allows you to see right through. It allows you to see out, and it's completely legal. And then we have the 70% on the windshield, which allows the customer to see out clearly. I believe the Cybertruck is really good in any color. The white is probably one of the best ones. As you can see, this one is fully completed on the white. Now I'm gonna cut the video, go into the shop, and show you guys the one that we have fully wrapped on the military green from GSWF, which I think looks phenomenal. As I walk back into the shop, I'll show you guys a few more projects. We have this Tesla Model X with a satin white from Platinum Wrapping Films. This is my Model X. This wrap has been on close to a year. We do have a ceramic coating, and we wash it regularly, so the wrap looks nice and white, not stains. Then we have another Cybertruck, of course, besides the green one. We always have multiple here. This one's getting the matte black. You've seen the matte black 20, 30 times at this point, so nothing to show there. But we also have this Tundra in for a full ceramic window tint. This Model X got a full color changes in 3M, and boom, this is the Cybertruck Cyber Beast, black Foundation Series decals, matte military greens, color PPF from GSWF. And this is something brand new we never done before. We wrapped the tonneau cover, so we were able to put a logo on there using obviously print media. So we printed the San Francisco 49ers logo and put it on the tonneau cover, and so far it works really good. We have done tests where we actually, close it, move it up and down, and everything with no issues. This GSWF, I think, looks phenomenal. My installer is actually applying a ceramic coating to it. Then we have XPEL XL Plus everywhere on the truck. Let me get this camera. Sorry, guys. You can see right there how the edges are wrapped. We have maximum quality, maximum durability. He's now obviously scanning for high spots on the coating and checking, make sure he did a good job. The truck is gonna get cleaned, delivered, and picked up by the customer today. Last but not least, just to kind of show our capabilities, we have this Lamborghini Huracán, 2 of them actually. One got a satin black wrap. This one's getting blue, metallic blue, chrome blue wrap, full car, including door jambs. So as you can see, we have the capabilities to disassemble a Lamborghini, another Lamborghini, put it back together, do a full wrap on it. We can definitely get your Cybertruck or your Model 3 or your Model Y or your food truck done right. That is what we take pride on. That is what we do every day. So you can see our installer right here is basically laying the film on the back bumper. The back bumper is being fully pulled so you can achieve maximum coverage. As always, guys, we're located in Henderson, 7585 Commercial Way, in the Valley Auto Mall, Las Vegas, Summerlin areas. If you guys want to quote, please reach out to us. We would love to assist you. We would love to service you and provide you the highest quality possible wrap and the highest quality of service when it comes to, servicing you and giving you a great experience. Not just a good wrap, but a great experience on getting a wrap and a good wrap. Thank you so much for watching the video. Again, this is the Cybertruck with the military green. This video, I had a few people ask me about this color, so I'll be sending this video over to them. And hopefully we'll see more military green trucks out there. Paint protection film versus vinyl. I know I said this before, but maybe this is the first video you've seen. So this is color PPF, that is a vinyl wrap. A vinyl wrap is gonna have a 3-year warranty, be 2.4 mil thick. The PPF is gonna have a 10-year warranty, 10-year warranty, be self-healing, and it's gonna be 8 mil thick. So a more expensive product, but a much better product. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you need a quote, please send us a message.